Hey guys, FixAlex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace side mirror or door mirror on this 2019 Honda CRV. 10mm socket, and that's it. That's the only tools that we're gonna use, guys. So the first step is to remove that cover. In order to remove that cover, we need to peel door panel cover slightly. There is few clips, don't be afraid to break it. Just pull that cover and then pull that cover, starting from this side, just like that. On the back side you're gonna see two clips and two hooks. I broke my hook already, so that's how it's gonna be. Just open it, and now as you can see there is a connector. That's why we need also to pull that cover. Try to remove that connector first. Just gently press it, cut it here, and you're gonna be able to remove your mirror. Now 10mm sockets, 3 bolts, 3 nuts, 1, 2 and 3 right here, and this is the 3. So remove all of them, and you're gonna be able to remove your mirror and reverse everything in back direction. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please join to my channel, hit like button and comment what else should I record. Thank you, bye.